Hey guys, and welcome back to Yes Star Reviews. And today I'm going to review Vibranium Power Effects Claw of Black Panther. It has slashing, sound, and light effects, and it is of ages 5 and above. And here's the back of the box. You can see a kid is using it. So now I'm opening it up. So the first you will got an instruction book, and it will tell you how to use it. So now let's open our and now it's out. So here is an adjacent band. So here you will adjust the size of your hand to wear it. I have adjusted it. And this handle, if you will make your hand little bit down, so it will come down. So you have to put this on this purple button, which is right here, and press it. So now here's the light effects, and when you will move it, so it will have sounds of Black Panther when he is fighting, and it will continue to 5 minutes. So you have to move your hand, and you have to fight.